Introducing the BioXolver, the new SAX instrument from Xenocs dedicated to biological research. The BioXolver gives easy and fast access to high-quality information on the shape and dynamics of proteins in solution, such as radius of gyration, molecular weight, maximum intraparticle distance, degree of folding, denaturation, or low-resolution 3D protein shape. Small-angle X-ray scattering is a proven technique at synchrotrons. With the BioXolver, it is now possible to have high-throughput measurements and results with low sample volume consumption in the lab. The BioXolver can load and measure up to 192 samples automatically. Place your weld trays on the instrument, select the sequence of your measurements, and press Start. The inline pipetting robot performs the handling, cleaning and drying, ensuring speed and reliability of your measurement and enabling you to run measurements 24/7. The automated software package analyzes and compiles the results for you. Once completed, the BioXolver notifies you by email so that you can retrieve the results remotely.
On traditional systems, measurements are done manually. That means you have to load your sample manually in a cell and you have to clean that cell as well. It's a very time-consuming process. The advantage of the BioXolver is that now you have a robot working for you. You take the human error out of the equation, and this robot will be able to measure a lot more samples in a much shorter time than you would manually. That means your productivity will greatly increase and your source of error will also greatly decrease.
With the BioXolver, the sample is directly injected into the BioCube measurement cell, which means no sample is lost or damaged in tubing. Its automated, precise positioning in the cell is done by computer vision. Direct injection into measurement cell and automated sample positioning allows for low sample volume consumption, down to 5 microliters, therefore saving precious sample and money. With the new technologies embedded into the BioXolver, you can now perform analysis of biostructural changes, dynamics and interactions close to your sample preparation and integrate it in your day-to-day work.
If you don't have a SAX system in your lab, you have to go to a synchrotron. That's a lengthy process to apply for synchrotron beam time, and it's a lengthy process to travel there and put your sample in the beam. During that time, your sample can change. Not to speak of the fact that having beam time is something you have like maybe a couple of times a year, and it means your productivity in terms of measuring SAX is very low. By having an instrument in your basement, basically you can have SAX be some part of your everyday lab work.
With the BioXolver, you can screen your samples in solution or run advanced structural characterization in your lab. You'll get fast feedback and high-quality data with low cost of sample consumption, enabling you to accelerate your biostructural research.